Hi there. I'm showing you today a new feature that we have just released that has been requested by several organizers, which is to duplicate an event. So in order to duplicate an event, you can come to your cockpit and open the page of your event. On that page, you have the duplicated button here at the top. You can open it and you have the details of what's going to be duplicated. And as you can see, all the event details will be copied from the previous one, the name, all the dates, so the event will have the same dates as the previous one, the times, the banner and description, all the configuration that you have set up here on the cockpit, the main stage, the settings, the permissions, and everything will be copied. Regarding the rooms, all the rooms that have been created are copied from the previous event with all the details and name, but also the order. So the participants list that have attended that room are not copied, but the details in the room, a brand new room with the same information, is copied into the new event. The same thing happened with the polls. All the existing polls are copied, but the votes are reset to 0. And the broadcast message, you can have the previous created broadcast message from the previous event on your new event, and you just need to launch them. In order to duplicate the event, the only thing that you need to do is set up the new URL. So let's do demo, duplicate, and click duplicate event. Your event will be duplicated and the cockpit will move to your new brand event, which is the copy of the previous one. And you can see here the new URL, and the configurations that are here are exactly the same as the previous ones. So now let's just open it, and for you to see that the rooms and everything is created as before. Here you have the new duplicated event, and you join event now. And here you are on the new event, and you can see that the rooms are already here. And I've reordered this room before, so they kept the same order. The polls are still here without any vote, so I can vote again. It's a sunny day today. And you can see that you have the broadcast message, the ones that were draft, the ones that have already been published. So let's just say hello. Nothing regarding the chat is copied, nor the participants list. So just let us know if you need any other improvement on this feature or any other feature. We are happy to develop it for you. Enjoy your virtual events. Bye bye.